We've all sat through leadership training that felt generic, forgettable, and disconnected from our real work. Well, that's exactly what Bluepoint sets out to change. My name is Christina Beaulne, and I work on the design team to create impactful experiences that ensure real behavior change for your leaders. And when I think about how we design our programs and what makes them different, I believe it comes down to three core philosophies. First, we start by asking, what are your organization's unique needs? Every organization has unique goals, challenges, aspirations. So, through those discovery conversations on your leadership competencies, and we'll take a deep look at your organizational context, we identify what outcomes you want to achieve and what success looks like for your organization. From there, the design team starts to curate research-backed content. We'll craft experiential exercises that are built around your leaders' real challenges. As an option, we can brand it and use your language to give it that tailored feel. And we'll also tailor the learning journey so that each part feels like it was built for your leaders. Second, we ask, how can we create an experience that inspires real change? We believe that leaders learn best by applying their learning to real experiences and situations that they're facing right now. So rather than traditional role plays or hypothetical situations, we invite participants to bring their current challenges to the sessions. And then throughout the workshop, they can start applying the research-backed strategies and concepts to their challenge so that by the time they get to the end of the workshop, they're able to leave with actionable commitments that they can begin implementing into their roles right away. Third philosophy is that we tap into the wisdom of the room by asking, how can we utilize the lived-in experiences of this group? And we do this through a two-pronged approach. First, our programs are intentionally designed with a very coach-like philosophy. We'll use powerful questions, guided reflection, peer dialogue to help participants surface their own insights. The second piece is that we partner with facilitators that create a very coach-like environment to drive this insight, using again reflection, dialogue, shared experiences, instead of just teaching and telling people what to do. Well, each facilitator brings their own unique expertise, their own style. They all share one mindset, and that is that the most impactful learning happens when participants are guided to uncover their own insights and take ownership, a shared ownership of the learning experience. At Bluepoint, we don't just deliver workshops. Our goal is to create an experience that is personal, practical, and transformative with sustained behavior change.